MES कॉलेजी लागसरचें जंक्शन बंद करचें वा उक्तें दवरचें हाचेर शेजारच्या कुठ्ठाळे आनी दाबोळेच्या आमदारां मदीं वाद चालू आसा. ह्या संदर्भात सुटावो काडपाक कुठ्ठाळेची आमदार एलिना साल्ढानान दोड्डामणीची भेट घेतली. ह्या संदर्भात योग्य तो सुटावो काडप जातलो. IDX गोवा खातीर जुवारी नगरच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
4 accidents have taken place within a question of 2 days. Yeah. So we cannot allow this to go on for another day. So the sooner we close down the opening, the better. And I'm very happy that the project director of the National Highway Authority of India has agreed to do so on an emergency basis. Specially called the project director, Mr. Dodamani, for a meeting at the office to inquire about what has happened. And I'm very relieved that he has agreed to close down whatever has been done and to set things right for the sake of the safety of the drivers and riders and the pedestrians. Now, what has happened is definitely illegal, but it is claimed that it is done on a temporary basis. Whatever it is, I'm not going to discuss what has already happened. What I am very relieved about is that by tomorrow it will be closed.
This demand did not come in one day, that where they have closed the illegal puncture of the national highway has been closed to prevent further accident, to prevent further death. Is there anything wrong? You are aware, the public have welcomed that particular move. Now when you close a illegal puncture, people need to turn somewhere. National highway has got plans to have 2 roundabouts, one near MES College Junction, which is technically in Kortalim constituency, and it is hardly a kilometer away from my constituency, less than a kilometer away. The other junction is at Bogmalo junction, where road goes to Bogmalo. Now having said that, these 2 islands or these 2 roundabouts will take some time, at least 6 months it will take. I am trying to do it in the next 3 months. So as a temporary measure, we have made an opening near Zuari gate where there is place to turn. Zuari Industries Limited has been kind enough to give us place to turn. So, and moreover, we ensured that the rumblers came up on both the sides. So people cannot speed because it is a turning. Tomorrow morning or latest by the after tomorrow, big boards will come, signages, where the rumblers will be pointed out.
June 22nd, Honorable Panchayat Minister had called for inspection at particular junction at MES NSD, where it was a very critical, lot of accidents were taking place. So in order to avoid that accident to happen at a particular point, so it was advised, it was instructed by Honorable Panchayat Minister to close it. Okay, so we had planned. Alternatively, what they said was, it was as advised by Honorable Minister, we had to open temporarily median opening near Juari gate number 3. So as per the instructions and advice of the Honorable Minister, that median opening was opened. It is temporarily, it is not a permanent, it is a temporarily. Once a junction at both the Bogmala junction and MES College junctions, once lighting signals have been installed, that will be closed. That is what advised by the Honorable Minister.